Florence Mukasa developed her hearing impairment at the age of 7 years. She is currently a board member of the Uganda National Association of the Deaf. In Uganda, statistics show that there are about 2 million Ugandans with a hearing impairment. But Mukasa says they are a marginalized group who cannot access health services like other citizens do. She vividly recalls one of their members who had been bitten by a dog.
They
didn't have a sign language interpreter, and it became very difficult for the doctor to communicate to the patient.
And being taken to a hospital where he was only given painkillers because he could not communicate to the doctor. He later died.
I feel so disappointed. If we can have sign language interpreters at health facilities, it will save our lives.
These and many other cases in Uganda have prompted people with hearing impairment to petition the Constitutional Court.
You know that if you go to any hospital in this country, there's no sign language interpreter. It's a basic fact. So our family, our friends, our relatives who are audially impaired have a challenge when they go to hospitals. Sometimes they'll be made to wait the whole day. Sometimes they just can't express themselves because not all of us can speak sign language.
When it comes to women with hearing impairment, the situation is so bad. When you become pregnant, you are required to have some essential items, and when you go to hospitals, health workers call out names, but you can't hear your name.
So we request
that the government should allocate us sign language interpreters in hospitals.
Through their lawyer Robert Kirunda, they argue that it is a violation of their fundamental human right to deny them an interpreter in health services.
We believe, and our clients believe as well, that genuinely speaking, that omission by the state to not A, provide sign language interpreters, and B, at government facilities, and B, require that private healthcare facilities provide those interpreters is a violation of the constitutional rights of persons with hearing disabilities. And there's a series of about 7 rights that we cite in the petition.
If court agrees with them, it would mean that all government and private health facilities will be required by law to have sign language interpreters. Jingo Francis, NTV.